Exercise 6.3, question number 14. ABC and PQR are two triangles. Sides AB, AC and median AD are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, PR and median PM of triangle PQR. And we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. To prove this question, we have to do one construction in this given figure, and that construction is produce this median AD to a point E such that AD is equal to DE, and join BE like this. Similarly, produce this median PM of triangle PQR to a point N such that PM is equal to MN, and join QN like this. So let's write construction here. Construction. Produce AD to a point E such that AD is equal to DE, and join BE. Also produce the median PM to a point N such that PM is equal to MN. PM is equal to MN, and join QN, and join QN. Now let's start the proof. In triangle ADC and triangle EDB, in triangle ADC and triangle EDB, AD is equal to DE by construction. And DC equal to DB, as D is midpoint of BC, because AD is median, and angle ADC is equal to angle EDB. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So in triangle ADC and triangle EDB, AD is equal to DE, and DC is equal to DB, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So triangle ADC is congruent to triangle EDB by SAS congruence rule, and therefore by CPCT AC is equal to BE. By CPCT. Similarly, in triangle PMR and triangle NMQ, similarly we can prove that PR is equal to QN. PR is equal to QN. Now, it is given that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. So this implies AB by PQ equal to AC is equal to BE, so BE by PR is equal to QN is equal to AD by PM. So let's write AD 2 into AD and PM 2 into PM, because ratio of AD and PM is same as ratio of 2 AD and 2 PM. These two and this implies AB by PQ equal to BE by QN is equal to 2 into AD. AD is median of triangle ABC, and we have constructed AE equal to 2AD, because AD is equal to DE. That means AE is double of the median AD. So 2AD we are going to write AE. So 2AD AE. PM is equal to MN. So PN is equal to 2 into PM. So 2 into PM is PN. Now see, AB by PQ is equal to BE by QN is equal to AE by PN. See triangle ABE and triangle PQN. In these two triangles, AB by PQ is equal to BE by QN is equal to AE by PN. Means three corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional. They are in the same ratio. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN by side similarity. So triangle ABE and triangle PQN are similar. Let this angle be 1 and this angle be 2. This angle be 3 and this angle be 4. Since triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, we can prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So angle 1 equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. When equals are added to equals, then wholes are equal, Euclid's axiom. And this implies angle 1 plus angle 3 in the figure is angle BAC. So angle BAC is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 is angle QPR. Thus, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have angle BAC is equal to angle QPR proved above. And AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. It is already given in the question. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle BAC is equal to angle QPR and sides including the equal angles in two triangles are in the same ratio. They are proportional. So therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side similarity criterion. Hence proved.